In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Strikingly SEO. First, head to strikingly.com, log into your account, open the website you want to optimize, and click Edit. That takes you into the site editor where all the key SEO settings live. Inside the editor, open Settings, then choose SEO or Basic Info and SEO depending on your template. This section controls how your pages appear in search results, so we'll work through the essentials one by one. Start with the page title. This is the blue clickable headline you see on search results, and it's one of the strongest ranking signals on the page. Keep it to about 50 to 60 characters, put your main keyword first, and avoid stuffing repeats. A solid example would be virtual assistant services for small businesses, your brand. Short, clear, and focus beats clever but vague every time. Next, find the meta description. Write 1 to 2 concise sentences that explain what the page offers and why it's useful. Aim for roughly 150 to 160 characters. Keep it readable and natural. And remember, this snippet is what people will scan before clicking. For example, professional virtual assistant services for admin, social media, and online business support. Affordable and reliable. Now customize the page URL or slug. In page settings, edit the URL to use real words separated by hyphens. Avoid generic paths like page 1 and use something descriptive like virtual assistant services. Clean, keyword-based URLs tend to earn better visibility and are easier to share. Make sure search engine indexing is enabled. Go to settings, then SEO, and confirm that hide from search engines is turned off. If this is on, Google and other search engines won't be able to crawl your site. Optimize your images. Click an image, open image settings, and add alt text that briefly describes what's shown, such as virtual assistant working on laptop. Alt text helps with accessibility, improves relevance for image search, and can support overall SEO. Use headings properly throughout your content. Keep a single H1 for the main page title. Use H2s for primary sections and H3s for subsections. This structure helps search engines understand your content and makes it easier for visitors to scan. For deeper insights, connect Google Search Console. Add your site there, copy the verification code, and paste it into Strikingly under Settings, Services, then Custom Code. This speeds up indexing and gives you valuable performance data. Finally, submit your sitemap. Strikingly automatically generates it at yourwebsite.com/sitemap.xml. Add that URL in Google Search Console to help search engines discover your pages quickly. With these settings in place, your Strikingly site is set up for search visibility.